This is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network, then launch the app gallery. At the search bar, type in, Chrome will be good enough. Once the needed app is found, click on the install button and wait for the Google Chrome to get downloaded and installed respectively. As you can see from the search descriptions, the Google Chrome itself is not present at the app gallery, but it provides us with the external sources such as like this website that simply will help us to download the APK installation file for the Google Chrome, and from there the app getting process will be the same as you would have it from the Google Play Store. Basically, you can also expand the More Links section over here and choose another website or another APK file source. In here we can, our primary source is findapk.com.co.za, but it also provides us with alternative web pages such as App Parks and APK Pure, which is a very good site, a very reliable one as far as I'm concerned, so you can use it as well. Doesn't really matter from where you'll get the link or the installation file itself. So once it has been installed, it will be scanned. You gotta allow App Gallery to install apps if that is your first time downloading the external APK files and installing, not much of a download, but more of an installation in this case. Then once the application external file has been scanned, you can confirm the installation, wait until the Google Chrome gets installed. As you can see, the process is successfully finished, and then simply launch the app, accept the terms, and start using the Google Chrome browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.